What's up, Daw Nation? You need to stop doing automation. This is a Daw Nation automation probation. No, listen, automation is great, but Chime has a super sick workflow where he doesn't use automation. Let's talk about it.
Yeah, so it's the same serum effects applied, but I've just put it onto another channel. So what I can do is just change the pattern by just dragging it from one to the other.
That's so much cleaner than trying to like
trying to automate
it.
Yeah, because then LFO can get like offset and stuff. Basically, I don't like automation. It can get really messy, and it's like a parallel dimension of stress just added on top of what you've already got in your project. If I can avoid automation, I generally try to. And you'll see when I do automate things, I then put it into audio and then hide the automation so I don't have to deal with it or mess it up or anything.
This is a small little snippet of our In the Daw episode that we did with Chime breaking down his song Voidwalkers. If you want to check out that full walkthrough plus get a free sample pack from the sounds that were made from Voidwalkers, there is a link down below, or you can head on over to dawnation.net/Voidwalkers. Go check it out right now.